Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the IQ50 token. Name of the token is IQ50, ticker symbol is also IQ50. Now this is another one of those very popular Solana meme tokens that has come out recently. I saw it trending on Dex Screener earlier today. And then I just saw that this token is getting central exchange listings starting today as well. So lots of action going on for this token right now. We're going to go over the information on the IQ50 token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token listed on Dex Screener. You can find it listed on Dex Tools as well if you want to check out the chart to see how well this token's doing. And you can find it on SolScan since this is a Solana token. That's where you'll see the contract address and tokenomics info. Now, according to Dex Tools, I just pulled it up. It says it's up 572%. Yeah, Dex Screener is telling me right now this token is up 572%. So like I said, these meme tokens go crazy. It could be even trending right now in the top 10. Let me try to scroll through this quickly and see if it's trending. But anyways, it was earlier. It was definitely trending earlier. It's still up 572% right now. Going bananas, these meme tokens. Very well established project. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there. You can see the contract address is right on that Twitter. They have a link to their webpage on that Twitter there, IQ50.WTF. Their Twitter has 106,700 Twitter followers at IQ50 Be Rich. Value investing, no sense. IQ50 Be Rich. Blue verified checkmark, 158 tweets. And it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, March 15th at 11:30 UTC time, which has already passed, so it is available now. This token is being listed on Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get this token, and you don't have a Coinex Global account, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol IQ50, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their official webpage is IQ50.WTF. You're going to find all sorts of links over there, including the contract address. And you can also find their contract address on that Twitter. And if you want to get this token in a decentralized way, instead of getting it off of Coinex Global, you can get this token off of Raydium or Jupiter or Orca by funding your Phantom wallet, Soulflare wallet, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, whatever wallet you use for Sol. Fund that wallet with Sol. Go into the dApps. Find Raydium, say. Let's just take Raydium. And then you would trade your Sol for the IQ50 using the contract address that you can find on their webpage or that Twitter. Just make sure you have the right contract address. Use that address to trade your Sol for the IQ50 token. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes. I'm just looking at their webpage right now. I don't see anything about taxes, so maybe there's not taxes. Hopefully there's not, but It doesn't specify on their webpage, but if you did have to set slippage, you could always leave a comment down there to help other people. Now, they have a market cap right now of $48.82 million, 81,790 holders, $4.62 million in liquidity on Raydium, on Orca, it says actually, sorry, Orca Whirlpool. And then they have a 24-hour trading volume of $31.65 million. Wow, doing very well. 12.73 thousand pooled SOL on Orca, which is equivalent to 54.95 billion pooled IQ50 tokens. And they have some info on their page here. It says, the idea behind IQ50 is pretty simple. It's a joke about people who don't think too hard sometimes about making big money, while those who study a lot might end up gaining nothing. So that happens all the time. There was a study, in the past where they had these financial advisors go against the monkeys, and the monkeys just threw darts at a dartboard, and they hit stocks with the darts. And so they invested with the monkeys on one side and with the financial advisors on one side, and I believe the monkeys actually did better. So this story here about sometimes people who don't think too hard do better than people who study a lot is definitely true. So IQ50 is a meme coin with no intrinsic value or expectation of financial return. There is no formal team or roadmap. The coin is completely useless and for entertainment purposes only. The project is community-driven, initiated purely by the community, emphasis on fairness, equity, and inclusivity, with everyone participating and having a say in the direction, and with a focus on community development. So, a lot of community stuff here. Now, I believe this token also was just announced that they're getting a central exchange listing on BitGet. It says new listing on BitGet. I believe XT.com was another one. We could verify that there. So if Coinex Global for some reason is not available in your area, which, I'm not sure which areas have what, it is going to be on, there it is right there, XT.com, March 15th as well, and same with BitGet, and probably other central exchanges as well. But yeah, doing very, very well. This token, huge market cap. I did see one warning, though, in their quick audit, though, so just be aware of that. They have a quick audit by Quick Intel Security here. And so if we pull that up, it says contract is verified. It says no honeypot, but it says blacklisting is detected, which equals a scam risk. So just be aware of that. This token can blacklist people, although they do have an insane market cap and insane holding. 82,740 holders. A lot of tokens blacklist bots, so they can use blacklisting for good, but you don't want them to blacklist you, of course. So just be aware of that. There is that warning there. And always do your own research, your due diligence before investing in every token. But, this token is doing very well. Go check it out. Just got a bunch of brand new central exchange listings as of today. Check out that Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.